guys, this is Megan. So as a runner and a climber and a skier, I know I always have feet that are always kind of banged up, from putting them through a lot. So I was able to partner with a brand, and I got this Belmont 18-node Shiatsu hot foot massager here. That was given me to test out and review. So yeah, I thought I'd just make an unboxing video here, so you guys can experience this with me as we test this out, and then after I try it, I'm gonna come back and tell you guys what I think. I'm thumbs up. I'm hoping it's good here, or fingers crossed, I guess. I'm hoping this is good. A product that works, because I'm really looking for something, that's going to help those feet feel good after those long runs or long days being crammed in a ski boot or a climbing shoe. There's just a lot of reasons why people might want foot massagers. So yeah, let's check it out. Okay, so here we go. Fresh out of the Amazon box here. Let's unwrap it and check this out. So we've got the packing shit. Packing slip. So you guys can see it. So we've got the Belmint Pressure Escape here. What does it say? Petrissage Shiatsu Foot Massager. Deep kneading, petrissage, easy toe touch control, Shiatsu acupressure, and heat and adjustable foot positioning. And I did buy this at Macy's. I bought it online. You can get it in the store as well. It is $61.19. So a reasonably affordable option here. And it says this Belmint Dual Foot Massager brings a professional massage experience into the comfort of your own home. Each deep kneading node uses spa quality acupressure to push away your worries and set your body on a track to healing. It has adjustable foot positioning and Shiatsu acupressure and heat. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see what we got. Here we go. So here you can see, here's the foot massager. Looks like it fits pretty large feet here, for small feet as well. You've got your power button. And as I'm feeling this, it's kind of cloth. It's kind of hard with plastic, kind of like massaging knobs underneath here. Looks like here we've just got an extension that plugs into this, so you can plug it in, and then an instruction manual. So yeah, this looks pretty cool. I'm excited to check it out. So I'm gonna plug this in and test it, and then we're gonna come back and let you guys know what I think. Thanks. Hey guys, I'm back. So I got the Belmont Shiatsu foot massager all hooked up now, ready to go. So here we are. We're gonna try this thing out for the first time. So it does recommend putting it on the floor and sitting in a chair. It does not recommend standing on it. So I'm going to push on and let it work its magic. So it is on the first mode. It automatically turns on to the kneading massaging mode with heat. It does mention it fits up to a size 12 shoe. It heats up to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, and it will shut off automatically after 15 minutes. I have to say, this is my first time trying this. This does feel pretty good. I feel like it's getting kind of right down here in that ball of my foot, massaging it. It is a little weird because I have a smaller foot here. So I feel like it's still working well, covering all the spots. It does seem to be hitting more in kind of like the muscular spots and kind of avoiding bones. Although it is kind of hitting kind of random spots on my foot a little bit. So maybe not the most point specific, but yeah, this does feel really good. I can definitely see this getting out knots in my tight arch. And it's nice. It looks like it will fit most foot sizes. Now, if it's getting too hot for me and I want to turn the heat off, I just press it again. Now the heat is off. And I just have a nice foot massage here. So yeah, you kind of have to position your foot a little bit. But when you get it in the right spot, it definitely feels really good. I can definitely tell I have tight arches right now. Yeah, it recommends using it for no longer than 15 minutes at a time, or no more than 30 minutes at a time with that 15-minute shut off. So yeah, I don't know. So far, this seems great. I mean, I'll have to use it more, to really see how it works over time. But I'm definitely looking forward to using this, after a day of sore feet, being on them all day, putting them through a lot of work. So I can turn it off. Another cool feature here that I noticed is on the bottom here, as you can see. Um, right here, it does have these hooks. So it looks like it's made, you can hook the cord around it here so it doesn't get tangled on things for safe storage. It does have a few warnings on here. It does warn you to not use this on thick carpeting. It recommends kind of lifting it off the ground a bit to give it some room for venting if you're going to use it for a while. This carpeting is a bit thinner, so I think it would work on this as long as you're not using it too long. But it's definitely something to be aware of. Yeah, I think this looks like a great essential, for runners to have. Obviously, you can use the rollers and stuff, but if you're looking for something a little fancier, that's gonna get at those knots in your feet a little bit better. This definitely seems, like maybe a worthwhile investment and something I definitely look forward to using. And I'll check back in over time, but definitely something I recommend to my fellow, athlete friends here with sore feet. So if you guys are interested, once again, this is the Belmint Press Escape Petrissage Shiatsu foot massager. You can get this for $61 at Macy's. Thanks, guys. That's all I have for today. If you guys like this, come check out more of these videos, and be sure to follow me on social media at MNRunner89. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.